Mga kakbay, magandang araw po sa inyo. Ito po si Sammy, ang inyong kakbay at laging karamay. Sasagot sa inyong mga katanungan, huwag lamang pong uutangan. Alam kong marami sa ating mga kakbay ang nagdanais makapagtrabaho sa ibang bansa. Kaya usapang work abroad po ulit tayo. Mga job vacancies sa bansang Qatar at United Arab Emirates naman po tayo ngayon. Boom o maganda ang economy nila kaya maraming mga bagong projects ang ginagawa sa mga bansang ito at sila po ay nangangailangan ng mga skilled workers. Narito po ang ilan sa mga trabahong po pwedeng ma-applyan. Mula po itong placement fees at processing fees at ang hiring agency po ay ang IPAMS, isang POEA accredited agencies na may magandang reputasyon pagdating sa pagpapaalis ng mga OFW sa iba't ibang bansa. Sigurado rin kayong maayos ang mga company na mapapasukan nyo dahil mapili ang IPAM sa kanilang mga kliyente. So mga kakbay, kung interesado kayong malaman ang mga job vacancies ngayon sa 2023 sa Qatar at United Arab Emirates, then please continue on watching. At kung bago po kayo sa aming channel, ay huwag pong kalimutang mag-subscribe at hit the notification bell at pakishare na rin po para lagi kayong updated once we upload a video like this. Nangangailangan po ang bansang Qatar ng trailer driver. Ang qualification, Vocational Training School Diploma, 3 years experience as heavy vehicle driver, may GCC heavy driving license at marunong bumasa at magsulat ng English. Kailangan din po nila ng driver, heavy vehicles, Vocational Training School Diploma, may 2 years experience as heavy vehicle and buses driver, marunong sa mechanical safety and emergency equipment, at marunong bumasa at magsulat ng English. Hiring din po ng AC and Refrigeration Supervisor. Ang qualification naman po, Vocational Training School Diploma, may 5 years experience at mas maganda kung may offshore experience. Mahusay bumasa at magsulat ng English. Kailangan din po nila ng Material Coordinator. Secondary School Certificate, may 5 years experience sa offshore shipping company. Marunong sa coordination at dispatching ng materials at equipment. May excellent verbal and written communication skills sa English language. Sunod naman po, electrician o yung HINO. Qualification, may Vocational Training School Diploma, may 5 years experience, may knowledge sa diagnostic software ng HINO trucks, marunong sa electromechanical troubleshooting, may knowledge din sa pag-operate ng mga mobile equipments kagaya ng heavy lift cranes at syempre may excellent verbal at written communication skill sa English language. Sunod, Painter and Blaster, Secondary School Certificate or Vocational Training. May 3 years experience sa pag-ooperate ng grit blasting machine. May 3 years experience sa pag-ooperate ng grit blasting machines and painting at may shipyard experience. Mahusay sa grit blasting, sand blasting, and painting works. At syempre, may excellent verbal at written communication skills sa English language. Kailangan din ng electrician, shipyard. Secondary School Certificate or ITI Certificate. 6 years experience, may heavy industry experience in electrical equipment at shipyard experience. Excellent sa written and verbal communication skills sa English language. Ito naman mga kakbay, ang mga job vacancies sa bansang United Arab Emirates. Una, Female Rides Technician. Ang qualification with NC2, High School Graduate or ALS Certified. May experience sa hydraulic and pneumatic with experience in reading drawings, schematic diagram, hydraulic drawings, and diagrams. Can understand both written and spoken English. Physically fit. Nangangailangan din sila ng lifeguard. May International Lifeguard Training Program or similar program experience. UAE Driver's License, Buggy License, Scuba Certification, o may previous lifeguard experience. Kailangan 2025 ang vision, corrected or uncorrected. May swimming experience, swim a minimum of 50 meters non-stop, using front crawl or breaststroke. Maintain test-ready lifeguard skill in accordance with International Lifeguard Training Program. Can speak basic English. Hiring din ng aircraft maintenance technician. Ang qualification naman ay college graduate of avionics course or related field or apprenticeship in mechanical, electronic, avionics, or aeronautical engineering or equivalent. May 5 years aircraft maintenance experience. Recent 2 years of cabin maintenance experience. May recent structure maintenance experience. Recent wheels and brake experience. May cabin line maintenance mechanical, structure, engine overhaul, wheel and brake. Kailangan din ng ground support equipment technician. Ang qualification naman po, diploma in mechanical, electrical, electronics, 5 years engineering experience, may mechanical, electrical, or engineering equivalent experience in ground support equipment operation and maintenance. Hiring din po sila ng warehouse and logistic workshop officer. At least college graduate, may 5 years engineering experience in mechanical, electrical, or engineering equivalent. Experience in warehouse and logistic experience. Preferably in an aviation MRO environment with minimum of 2 years experience. So ayan mga kakbay, ang ilan sa mga job vacancies sa bansang Qatar at United Arab Emirates. Para sa iba pang mga job vacancies, please visit IPAMS, isang multi-awarded agency at 100% no-fees charging company po sila. Mataas po ang kanilang standard sa pagpili ng mga aplikante dahil sigurado naman kayo na kapag kayo ay kanilang napili, ay tiyak na maayos sa company ang inyong mapapasukan. Kaya mga kakbay, kung kayo ay interesado mag-apply, please visit ipams.com para sa mas marami pang job vacancies. So there you have it mga kakbay, sana ay makatulong ang video namin ito para kayo ay makahanap ng job opportunity abroad. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, hit the notification bell at pakishare na rin po para mas maraming makaalam tungkol dito. Keep safe, God bless, and we'll see you in our next video. Bye!